Hey everyone, I'm really excited today because I'm featuring another barber. Now what's unique about today is that this is Jordan and he's a super talented barber. I actually saw your work on Instagram and I was like, oh my gosh, and look at this model. One thing I want to point out is that this is his natural texture. So I know a lot of you are going, wait, he didn't get a perm? This is actually his natural curl and Jordan is going to work a masterpiece on this. So I'm so excited, let's get started.
Fortunately for my client here, he's got natural curls. A lot of us Asians typically have straight hair. So like this actually is more of a perm too, but what I want to do with his hair is highlight those curls and basically taper the sides, keep it nice and even, nice and balanced. So I would say for styling his hair, I would typically try to go with something more like a leave-in conditioner and something like light so his hair could be like free moving. He typically doesn't even want it to look like such a cut, so we just want to make it look like it's something he just wears easy every day. All right, let's get to it. All right, so we wrapped it up. I'm finished with my model. As you can see, we accentuated his natural curls. What I did was a low to mid taper. We made sure the fade drops to the back, layered the top, and then I finished it off with Tidal Wave sea salt spray, and then also the matte pomade that TheSalonGuy has. What I really like to do with this cut is make sure that it's nice and balanced. You know, it's like nice and easy for him to style. He's not gonna have to do too much. A little spray, a little pomade, and he's like set to go. He's a low maintenance type of guy, so you know, sometimes you don't want to do too much. And basically, line it up, make it look sharp, make it pretty for the camera. And shout out to TheSalonGuy for giving me this opportunity. If you'd like to come get a cut, my name is Hair Jordan. My Instagram is TheHairJordan on Instagram. My address is 2913 Decal Pike, East Norton, PA 19401.